Can anybody help or explain what this is? This is all my thing is doing. It just blinks the flashing battery. I didn't try charging it for 2 nights straight, overnight. I've used the regular charger, a fast charger. Has all the parts, brand new. I never really used it one time, and this is what it started doing. And when I press the indicator, it cuts off. That's all it does. Turn it back on. It can't be dead. I've charged this thing 4 days straight. I don't know what's wrong. It's on. I can move the things, turn it, set it like I'm doing something. Can't say because it's not plugged, because even when I hit my light indicator, pushing it, holding it down, that's the light indicator, it still does nothing. It just literally flashes the battery. That's the light indicator. It's not coming on at all. It's on the charger. It doesn't let me do anything but move the stuff, press it, and it's just gonna shut off. It doesn't start. It don't do anything. I don't know what to do.